All right, so today we are testing out the GoPro 9 versus the GoPro 7 and all the features the GoPro 9 has to offer. I have one of the best drone photographers here in town, Mickey B. Follow him on Instagram. And I have my cousin, so both of you guys are my cousins. I have my other cousin right here, Pedro. He doesn't bring anything of value, but still, he's a pretty cool guy. So follow him on Instagram as well. Do you have an Instagram? Yeah, he has an Instagram. All right, so check this out. Today we're gonna test out the HyperSmooth 3.0, TimeWarp 3.0. We're gonna test out the audio on the GoPro 9 versus the 7. All right, so now my cousin and I are gonna do a race. He's gonna hold the GoPro 7 and I'll be holding the GoPro 9. And I have my other cousin filming us with his drone. So it's pretty much a race, and I think I'm gonna win just because I'm the bigger and better cousin. But he thinks he could beat me. You think he could beat me?
Yeah, I will.
Yeah, we'll see. So he has the GoPro 7, right? You ready?
Ready.
Dale. My cousin's using the drone. Pretty much the drone is gonna come here and pass us. Once it passes us, that's pretty much us starting. My cousin's ready with the GoPro 7. I'm ready with the GoPro 9. So we're ready whenever you're ready. Is it on?
Get it.
All right, so it's on. I got. Oh. All right, so now I have both GoPro 9, GoPro 7. GoPro 9 is set on horizon lock, while the GoPro 7 is just regular wide angle. All right, so now I'm gonna run, and we're gonna see the difference between horizon lock and non-horizon lock. Meanwhile, I still have the drone up here following me, so let's see how this looks. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. So now, one of my favorite features on this new TimeWarp 3.0 is that you can actually stop the video and do real time as you're doing the time warp, and then continue back with the time warp. So let's check this out. And just like that, while the time warp is going, I can stop the video, record live, and I'll go back to time warp. So let's go back to time warp and check it out. Really cool. That's probably my favorite part of the TimeWarp 3.0. The next part is that you could actually slow motion. So let's see how the slow motion looks like. So I had a great time trying out the TimeWarp 3.0 that I want to do it again one more time. Here I am at a different location, and I found a little cool a little surprise for you guys. All right, I think it was pretty cool. So now we're gonna try out the TimeWarp 3.0. We're gonna go into the time warp, go to slow motion, back to time warp, and then I'm gonna try one more time with time warp, go into real time, and then back to time warp. So let's try this out, and I'll show you the surprise. Now that I took you to a surprise, which was that alligator in the background, and I did the slow-mo feature, now I'm gonna do the time warp with the real-time feature, so you can see exactly one more time how it works. To me, this is probably one of my favorite features on the GoPro besides this front-facing LCD screen. All right, so let's check it out. How cool is that? Now let's go back to time warp from real time. I think I love this alligator. Honestly, it's one of my favorite parts here. All right, so for the last test, I'm doing the audio test. As you can see, I have a drone right here, right behind me. And there's an airplane up there somewhere. Not sure you guys can hear it or not, but pretty much I have both GoPros without a case on it. So here's the GoPro 7, no case, and the GoPro 9, no case. Normally for the GoPro 7, I have the vlogging setup. And for the GoPro 9, well, I want the media kit, but they don't have the media set up yet. So as it is, it's being a bare case right now. But this is pretty much so you can hear the difference in quality of sound from the GoPro 9 to the GoPro 7. You're able to see the difference between HyperSmooth 3.0 on the GoPro 9 versus the GoPro 7, as well as the new features on the TimeWarp 3.0 and the audio quality difference between the GoPro 9 and the GoPro 7. Do me a favor, smash that penguin, hit like, and ring that bell to stay up to date with all our videos. And now, I leave you with my friends. Oh, cheers.